Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a performance report for my friend 16 in the Bluegrass on this Rci-2980wx. 16, this thing's ready to go. I'll show you what we got. Roll the RF power all the way down. 5-watt slug. Just a hair under 1 watt. Roll the RF power all the way up. Right at 5 watts, a carrier. Roll it back down. I'll show you average power swing, 100-watt slug. Right at 16 bird. Peak power. About 33 peak. Clean and mean 16. Got a nice carbon fiber cover over the top of it. I think you're going to enjoy it for the shop. From your friend's truck at Truck CB Sales on the Facebook. I got down. Bye.